Additive manufacturing 11th edition is very important from the perspective of a lot of developments are happening in today's additive manufacturing scenario in India, especially a lot of advancements in metal 3D printing, such as direct energy deposition technologies, as well as many Indian companies have come out in making 3D metal 3D printing machines under the umbrella of Make in India. So AIM 2022, that's the 11th edition of conference, is going to showcase, create a platform, okay, to show what India is making and where India is advancing in 3D printing technology, especially in the metal sector, and also a lot of improvements happening in biomedical segment and skill development activities. Government of India is pushing in a bigger way to adopt 3D printing technology and has come out with a national strategy with the Minister of Electronics and the Information Technology, Government of India. And a lot of trust is being given to promote 3D printing technology under the umbrella of Industry 4.0. So AIM 2022 speciality or the highlights of the conference is that we are coming up with a symposium as a part of the conference on 3D printing startup as a business opportunity. We are going to give a platform for the startup business activities, technical support, and also funding opportunities available from the government and other venture capitalists. But also one more session we are giving hands-on experience on masterclass on preparing a business case for 3D printing applications, especially using a German-based company called EOS platform, training platform, I would say. This is also another umbrella of AIM 22 conference. And we are also having a separate session for biomedical applications of 3D printing technology with the invited speakers and experts from academic institutions, R&D institutions, and from the application side as well. So clubbed together, AIM 2022 event is going to be a very good event, and it's a complete package event for all the participants. So the journey started from 2012, where we started with 4 or 5 companies and 50 plus participants, and the development has grown to such a level. We could find every year there is 30 to 40% increase in the adoption of AIM technology in India.